guys, and welcome back to another video. I have not filmed a hair video in forever. I realise I'm a bit of a mess right now, but I haven't done anything with my hair in so long, and I've just been kind of getting a little bit bored. I love my hair like this. Like, this cape's really freaking annoying. But I want to take the blonde higher up again, especially like if you look underneath. It comes really far down. So I'm going to take the blonde further up. I'm not 100% sure like how high up I'm going to go with it. Or like, so my plan is, this is the plan. I'm using bleach. So this is the bleach I'm using with a 12%. Please be a 12%. I didn't even check it before I started mixing it. So I'm going to do that. And I'm just gonna like get strands and just take it up some bits higher than others, so it's kind of like a balayage effect. Because I think I still want to keep the dark roots because I just love that I don't have to do anything with it. I could literally just leave my hair like this for another 3 months and it'd look fine. I just fancy being a bit more blonde, that's all. I mean, I kind of fancy going like red or pink or something again, but for now we're just sticking with the blonde. So the plan is that I'm going to do that. I'm going to see what it looks like then, and then I might put a blonde colour over the rest of my roots. So it's not going to be this blonde, but like, I don't know if you can see on camera, the lighting's not great, ignore the skin, very stressed right now. Like here it's a little bit blonder. You can probably see it more here. Like these bits here are like, they're not this colour but they're not that colour, and that is literally because at one stage I was using the got it right here. This is actually really good, and you just spray it on your roots or on your hair and it does lighten it, and it's not going to go super blonde but it lightens it, and I feel like it lightened it enough for me to grow my roots out. So I'm thinking if I was to put a blonde on, just like, and not bleach, but like a blonde dye, a blonde colour. The only problem is it will pull warm, like there's no way avoiding it pulling warm. But at least like I'll have like dark blonde to light blonde, you know what I'm saying? One day I'm actually going to do a video with an Australian accent. Maybe for the rest of this video I could just talk in an Australian accent. I feel like there would be more impact if I did it straight from the beginning, because some people would click on the video and be like, oh, this bird's an Aussie, and I'll be like, psych! So anyway, I don't know where that came from. So that's the plan. So for now, I'm just going to do the bleach part of it, see what it looks like, and then decide whether I want to go and do the rest of it. So yeah, I'm going to stop chatting and let's just get on with it. This cape's going to be really annoying. I don't know if I'm going to be able to keep it on, to be fair. What are you doing? There is a big part of me that wants to just bleach all the rest of my hair so I'm like properly blonde again. But I cannot be bothered with the upkeep that brings. I just can't. I just don't have time in my life for that. Okay. So I'm hoping this is going to go well because I don't have to see the roots perfectly. I do like the darker root though. Oh my god, I can't decide. But I'm doing it. I'm doing it anyway. I've mixed it, so I'm doing it. Like, stop being stupid and get on with it. I actually don't know how much memory I've got at the moment, so I'm not going to film the whole thing. I'm just going to try and get bits that y'all need to see. You know what I'm saying? These gloves are so freaking big. Okay, we can do this. So I also don't want to go too far down, just because obviously my hair is, I mean, it's long and it's dying. There's no way I'm not going to overlap though, like it's just not even possible for me to not overlap. Oh, this is going to go so wrong. Why do I keep going Australian? I don't even know where that's coming from. I've not been hanging around with anyone from Australia, so. Oh, actually one of my bosses is Australian, but I don't speak to him all the time or anything. So. Stop talking, man. Just shut up and do your hair. Oh, I know you guys have missed me. I know you have. This is really difficult to just be doing on myself because, like, what am I doing? I just hope this works or I will actually cry. Real human tears. Not that I'm human. Stop talking! To be fair, I'm probably just going to film like the first little bit of it. I just really don't want there to be any like dark bits that I've missed either, because that would be friggin' horrendous. So let's not have that happen. Now I'm using a 12%. Oh, I should have used a 9%. I meant to use a 9%. Crap. Okay, I need to be quick. Oh, what an idiot. I'd already decided beforehand that I was going to use a 9 and then I forgot and went in with a 12. If you're doing this at home, don't use a 12. I mean, my hair's not dark enough that it needs a 12, to be fair. So I've effed up here because it's going to take me a while to get the colour on. Oh, and the bottom is going to be go blonde first, and I'd rather the top was more blonde. Nightmare! Okay, I also don't want to rush it and it go really, really not right. This is a terrible method that I'm using here. I can't even see this side of my hair. It's really dark. I've not got the lighting finished in this room. By the way, you might notice that I'm in a bit of a different room, but all will be revealed on that matter, like, at some point. To be fair, I think it is probably going to be a good idea after this to go in with a blonde, because this isn't going to be, like, super neat. And the contrast won't look as bad if it's on, like, just a darker blonde as opposed to dark roots. It could look pretty naff. Because I'm not going to get a good, like, coverage and whatnot, so. Just want to make sure that I kind of take some of it up high enough. Okay, that's going to have to do. Oh, I made a real big mistake by using a 12%. Ah, why did I do this? Okay, I'm gonna go back and do what I've just been doing on the rest of the hair, and then I will come back to see you all. Okay, so my hair is all coloured now. Well, covered, should I say. I have no idea if this is gonna look horrendous or if it's gonna work, but we are going to find out. I'm gonna leave it on for like. I'm just going to keep an eye on it and see when I decide it's ready, it'll be ready. And then I will see you guys soon. Fingers crossed. Okay guys, so this is what it's looking like so far. I don't like the colour that this part of my hair's gone. Greg was saying to me the other day, he was like, have you done your hair green? And I was like, no. But it kind of does, it's not green, but it does kind of have like, it's very like a greyness, which it's just, I want it more just like a pale blonde. But I have a slight issue. So I'm going to go in with the colour now. This is all I've got left of the colour that I use on my mum, which I think will be a good colour. And it is a 12... Let me just see for y'all. Ignore the bra, please. I'm not even going to be able to freaking open the thing now. I've literally squeezed everything out. But this is SE0 by XP 100, but the one that's this colour. Slightly different. Oh, this is XP 200, okay. So, the issue is, I do have these two, but they're both ashy. So, let me just pop y'all there. I could mix like one of these with it, and that would be fine for this part of my hair, but when I'm gonna have to pull it down to the rest to kind of get a bit of a blend. I'm probably gonna, once I've got it on the root, once I've got it on, like, I'm gonna put it from the roots to like here, and then the idea is to then mix in some active lotion. So this is like a really low, I mean normally it's like a 1.5 or something, isn't it? I'm not sure what this is, but it's not like a proper developer. It's more like a semi kind of one. Mix it in with that to just blend it down. But all I've got is ashes. I've got a 1221, which is like a special violet ash, or I've got an 11-1 by Osmo. Okay, let me just, I need to make a decision. I'm gonna do it. I'm going to choose one of them. I'm going to use one of them because I'm an idiot. And I'm not going to have enough there to do it. So there's no point in running out and then having to use one of these halfway through. It's just not going to happen, is it? I think I'm going to go with the Osmo one. But then part of me thinks because this is kind of the same brand, am I better off using that one? The Osmo one's got less left in it. And this is... Oh, Jesus Christ. I don't know what to do, guys. Also, I'm guessing this one might be like an Australian brand. So that'd be quite fitting for... This has got sunflower seed extract. My coconut... Oh, God, oh, God, oh, God, oh, God, oh, God. My hair's going to end up like blue on the ends. I think I'm just going to use this one. I'm just going to bite the bullet and do it. Let's do it. Oh, dear God. I'm just going to mix loads because... I really don't want to run out, and I want to be able to slap it on really quickly. So I don't want to be like, oh, better not use too much kind of thing, and just freaking get it on. Let's get it on. I am going to mix it with a 12%. My hair is wet, which is going to slightly dilute it anyways, so it'll be fine. Oh dear God, please don't let me completely regret this now. I just don't want to damage my hair. I'm more bothered about that because I can always slap a colour over it. Like, I could put a pink on it now and it wouldn't look that bad. Do you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I just don't want to ruin my hair. So my plan is to mix loads of this so that I've just got loads and I can just slap it on and not have to worry about it. Then whatever's left over, I'll mix up with the really low developer and slap it on the rest of the hair. Just comb it through a bit and try and blend it all in. This is gonna work, okay? It's gonna work. Okay, let's do this. I've mixed loads in here now, so there should definitely be enough. I hope. I'm not gonna lie, I'm already kind of missing my, like, ombre hair. my like, yeah, whatever you would have called it hair. This is gonna be really hard because I cannot see the back of my head. Oh, it's so much easier when you can see the back. I might actually just go up... Oh, no. Oh, I just pulled it down my hair. That's really quite difficult to not do. But trust me, the lengths of my hair really do not need this with a 12% on it. At all. I'd love to be able to just come out of my body for half an hour and do a proper application. That would be so good. Give it a good rub. Rub-a-dub-dub. This has to work, you guys. The ends of my hair are gonna have it on for like the last 10 minutes. So it's not gonna be good for my hair if I get it on there like now, but it's really hard not to. There's gonna be some parts of it that are gonna be really damaged, but I'm just hoping that because I'm using so much, like, it is going to all be covered. This is not my usual parting method either. I would normally start at the top and do the back last. But apparently didn't want to do that this time, so there we go. I don't know why I decided to do it like this. In fact, I've kind of done like the main back bit now, so I'm going to change my method because this is going terribly wrong. As long as I kind of get it on quickly, there's not going to be much difference in like one side to the other. So if I can get it on in like 15 minutes, then it won't be too bad. Doesn't help that it's really dark as well, so I can't 100% see what I'm doing. I would never normally do this on wet hair either, but because I'm hoping because I'm using a 12%, it doesn't matter. This is just gonna make the parts of my hair that are already like kind of grey even more frigging grey. Oh, that is strong. It's making my eyes water. Right, I'm gonna go do the rest of my hair and then we'll see what it's like. Right guys, so it is like a week or so later because I'm absolutely terrible and I always forget to you know, like film. But this is the end result of my hair. You can see it's a lot lighter on the ends and it's gone like more of a goldeny blonde on the top, but I actually really like it. Like, I'm pretty happy with it. So this is how it ended. So, I mean, I'm blonder than I was before, so it's all good. I hope you enjoyed this video, you guys. Let me know what you thought. Let me know what you think of my hair. Let me know what you think I should do next. Part of me wants to go pink again, like just as like a wash in, wash out kind of pink, but yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you so much. Mwah. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.